Welcome to SIRA MCQ YouTube channel. Today we discuss 2025 Advanced Level A-Level Accounting paper question number 3. 3 is related to above information. Look here. What is the requirement of question number 3? Look here. For which of the above transaction? There's the transactions there above. Which one of the above transaction the matching concept applied in preparation of financial statement for the month of August 2025? Which of the following transaction the matching concept is applied? What is the matching concept? What is the matching concept? Match. Matching concept matching means there's a couples. The matching means at the matching concept there are two persons. What is this? Income and income match to expenses. This means we must identify the expenses related to income generated. Look here, what is the definition? We must identify the expenses related to income. We must identify the expenses. This matching concept is focused to identify we must identify the expenses related to income. Okay, this is the identification guideline to identify the expenses. What expenses related to income? There is an income in the business. We must identify the income related expenses. This is the matching concept guideline to expenses identification. Therefore, there is expenses is all expenses are related to which concept? Matching concept. Why? Matching concept is guideline to identify the expenses. In that case, what is the expense identified transaction? Matching concept is expenses. Now, what is the transaction expense related? First one, the owner of the firm provided the land worth of 500,000 as additional capital. This is the additional capital. No, there is no expenses. This is a rejected. B1, the firm purchased the food processing machine costing 240,000 on 1st August 2025. Firm purchased the food processing machine. This is the asset, non-current asset, costing 240,000 on 1st August 2025 for cash and commenced using it from this date. They used the machine from the purchasing date. This one is not related to expense. Why? Purchase the machine, cash credit, machine debit. Machine is an asset. Now we find the expenses. Look here, it is depreciated over period 24 months. Depreciation is an expense. This is expense related. B is expense related. This is the machine concept. Look here, the purchasing of machine is not related to machine concept. Why? Purchasing is a asset, cash debit, machine debit. Cash credit, machine debit. This is not related to expenses. But depreciation means expense. Expense is related to matching concept. Look here, see, the firm paid 180,000 to trade creditor after receiving 10% cash discount. The firm paid 180 to trade creditor after receiving a 10% cash discount. The discount is cash discount. This discount is discount allowed or discount received. Trade creditors related to discount received. Discount received means income. Okay, the 10% cash discount is income or expenses. Okay, cash discount to trade creditors is discount received, not discount allowed. Discount received is income. This is not related to matching concept. Why? We find expenses. This is related to discount received. This is not matching concept. Look here. The firm paid the monthly loan installment of 60,000 including 15% interest. Interest is expense. This is expense related. D is expense related. Okay, next one. The computer worth of 300,000 which was personally owned by the owner had been stolen while it was at the business premises. In the question number 2, we clearly identified this transaction is a not business transaction. Why? This computer is personally owned by the owner. This is the not asset of our business. Therefore, this is the not related transaction. In that case, there is a expenses identify only B and D. B and D answer for question number 3. B and D. B and D only. Answer is 3 for question number 3. Okay. In next video, we must identify the answer of question number 4.